Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Cadillac CT5 Sport, and this one is very likely, according to all data, the highest mileage one in the country. That's right, and we'll go into the mileage once we get there. Brembo front brakes. This one's powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It does provide a good amount of power. I'll have the specs in the description. 350T badging. Carbon fiber trim. Amber/orange stitching. Bose Performance Series sound. Do have wireless charging. Lots of storage in here. Metal shift paddles. If you take a look at the dash, 132,872 miles. Oh yeah, this is very likely the highest mileage one in the country. Actually, according to all the data, it is. So, yeah. Let's take this thing for a drive. Obviously, the CT5 did replace the CTS. And I believe it is built off the Alpha platform, which also underpins the Camaro. Good old GM 10-speed. Brake pedal feel is phenomenal, and that's the thing, you know, this is a very, very high mileage car, so it's kind of cool to see how everything is held up. Yeah, this is a pretty good car. I mean, just spending time in this car, it's been really, really fun. I love the CT5. I have driven the CT5V Blackwing. I've driven, I don't know if I've driven the V Series. I have driven the Turbo V6. That actually should be the next video. Yeah. So this is a pretty good car, and just in terms of platform and how it drives and the engineering behind it, it is really, really good. I love the steering feel, I love the paddles, I love throttle response, I love the brakes. It's just, as a whole, it works so well. do love all the fit and finish, although you have, in this range, you have 3 volume knobs. Here, here, and here. A little redundant, but you can't complain that, oh, I don't have any controls for the volume, because you have plenty of controls for the volume. That's what I mean by this GM Alpha platform. It is so good. It's, yeah. In terms of power delivery and everything, it just works. And it is such a fun car to drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.